how to post comments in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post comments. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this play icon. Simply tap on play. So this is the section where it shows post, reels and other videos. Now scroll to the one that you want to comment in. So here I'm tapping on this post. Now you cannot directly comment from edits, but you must open Instagram application. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now tap on view on Instagram. So this will redirect to your Instagram application. Now as you can see, there's this comment option or icon. Simply tap on it. Now here you can comment whatever you like. So here I'm tapping on one comment. Simply tap on the send button and you're all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.